Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the Hajj, the Islamic pilgrimage to the holy city of Mecca. Join me as we delve into the significance and rituals of this incredible journey. Let's get started. Scene 1. The significance of Hajj. 30 seconds. H stands in front of a green screen with visuals of Mecca in the background. The Hajj, the fifth pillar of Islam, is a profound journey that millions of Muslims embark on each year. It holds immense religious significance and serves as a unifying event for the global Muslim community. The Hajj commemorates the actions of Prophet Abraham and his family, symbolizing their unwavering faith and submission to God's commands. Scene 2. The rituals of Hajj. 1 minute. H stands in front of a large screen displaying visuals of the Hajj rituals. The Hajj consists of several rituals that every pilgrim must complete. Firstly, they enter a state of consecration known as ihram, which involves wearing simple white garments and refraining from certain actions. This attire represents the equality and unity of all pilgrims, regardless of their social or economic status. Next, the pilgrims gather in the plains of Arafat, where they engage in prayers and seek God's forgiveness. This is a profound moment of reflection, as they plead for mercy and guidance. Following that, the pilgrims move to Muzdalifah, where they spend the night under the open sky, collecting pebbles for the next ritual, the symbolic stoning of Satan. This ritual represents rejecting evil temptations and remaining steadfast in faith. The next stage is the Tawaf, where pilgrims circumambulate the Kaaba, the holiest site in Islam, 7 times. This act signifies unity and devotion to God. They also drink water from the well of Zamzam, believed to be a miracle given to Prophet Ismail. Scene 3. Unity of Muslims. 1 minute. H stands in front of a diverse group of Muslims from different ethnicities. One of the most beautiful aspects of the Hajj is the unity it fosters among Muslims. Regardless of their nationality, language, or social background, pilgrims stand shoulder to shoulder, dressed in identical attire, united by their faith. This gathering of millions of Muslims from around the world showcases the diversity and strength of the Muslim community. Scene 4. Conclusion. 30 seconds. H stands in front of the green screen with a visual of the Kaaba. The Hajj is an incredible spiritual journey.